This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Outlook and choosing the mailbox you want to fix. Make sure you know the account type, Exchange versus IMAP or POP, because some options differ. Once open, back up your PSD or export view settings if you rely on custom layouts. This prevents data loss. Now focus on the mail view pane. You'll change layout elements, sort orders, and reading pane placement. Follow the next steps to adjust view templates and filters so messages display correctly. You'll now modify the active view. Go to the View tab and choose Change View, then Manage Views to edit or reset the template. This fixes hidden filters or custom grouping. Next, clear any active filters and inspect search folders because they can hide messages. Make sure sort and group are logical, date descending is common. Also toggle the reading pane and conversation view to see if that restores expected order, and rearrange columns so key fields are visible. If adjustments don't stick, reset the view. Use View right arrow reset view for a folder or run Outlook. exe/clean views to restore defaults across profiles. Once done, make sure search works. If not, rebuild the Windows search index from indexing options because a corrupted index affects message visibility. Finally, disable suspect add-ins, apply updates, and restart Outlook. If problems persist, create a new Outlook profile to isolate profile corruption. This usually resolves stubborn display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.